Our customers are mostly comprised of band, orchestra, and choir directors. We do have a few other customers that come to us with an exciting idea and we try and create it. We're a really fun company. We love doing what we do.
We supply a variety of music programs throughout the world, including bands, choirs, orchestras, and general music ensembles. Additionally, we sell marching accessories to a variety of programs. At Director's Assistant, we are very proud to announce that we sell worldwide. Previously, we've been predominantly in the Texas area. In the last year and a half, we've expanded to all 50 states and multiple countries throughout. At Director's Assistant, we recognize that competition is very valuable to organizations.
Many of the organizations we work with compete in DCI, BOA, and several other organizations throughout the country.